Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's topic will discuss about a very interesting scenario on the Power Query, where always you know that like the date, the formatting on the dates when you are exporting data from different Excel file or different sources, right? There could be different formats, right? The format which you are exporting and the format which your in system is in. If there is a not sync, right? So to handle this kind of scenario, and if you want to change the type of that the columns to date, there are some challenges we will face it. And as per the different blogs and like if you go through the different blogs, videos, and all, the only solution is that very important is that first is that you need to change your operating system local, which is like sometimes it's not possible. Another solution would be like you can change your options and settings and change it to your the whatever the locals the data you are getting it. But instead of doing all these things, let's take without doing all these things, I want to do it. But that also will not work out in this specific scenario. Let's see how it goes. Basically, this is my setup data. If you see this, there are a couple of data like 01, 02, 2018, and some data are 1, 13, 2018. So there is no sync where the data is getting entered. Okay. So let's try to do the first way, like click on this using the local and try to change it to the date based on the United States. So this is the data I have for the United States here. Let click on that English United States here, which is the month, date, and year. If you click on that, you think that yes, the date got converted, but careful, okay? See the previous data, the first row, okay? It is 0201 2018, but what is the source for me? It is 1 to 2018. So, but now what we are getting? 2 1 2018. Up to here, there is a problem. This data, this is wrong data, which I am showing it here. From here, it is fine, but this is the data which is wrong. So, in this case, the change type with the local will not work into picture, right? So how to tackle it? We'll take with a different approach and little bit M coding also will write, and you will after going through the video you will be able to know little bit about your M in the sense how we can write some M code here also. So let me just delete these steps, okay, and let me create a custom column. What I need now in the custom column is that I want uh, a formula I need to write. I say date dot from. This is a function. From what I need? I need the dates here. So I need to extract the date from this date column. Okay. Now put a OK here. The first up to here, it got formatted properly and it is considered as a date and it extracted the date part. But from here, it is saying that error. Why? Because from the 12th number rows, right? This data in Power Query, it is considering as a text rather than as a table. And when you are extracting that as a tail dates, it is giving the error here. Okay. See, it's saying that we could not pass the input provided as a date value. Okay. Whereas this guy is perfectly fine. Okay. These are the errors. If you see the review, it's saying that it is not able to convert it into the date value. So what we will do now? First, my first attempt would be I need to remove the error first at any cost. Okay. So again, we will go to the custom column here and we'll do a if and else. The last video, if you see on my Power Query also, I used the if and else in Power Query in a different way. That is called a try otherwise, right? So let's do that. So it will you say try this, okay, try to extract the dates from the date column. Fine. If some columns you are not able to extract as a date, I say otherwise give me that column itself or the column value itself. Okay. Now by using this, we will able to first of all fix that error first of all. Okay, now this part is dead. This is anyway, it is a string part only. Now what do we need to do? Overall, this whatever the data we have on this column in the custom column, I want to change it to text first. Everything should be text. Then from the text, I can convert you to the date column again. Okay, so I can do it directly in this case. I can click on this and just put the text. But since we are writing the M code, just learn one more technique that in the function itself, how you can change the data type of a column to text. Okay, let's go to the column here, and before the try, we will use another function that is called text dot from. Okay, then embedded inside everything. So whatever the data we are getting, we are just converting it into text dot from. Okay, enter it. So now everything is correct. Now everything is a text. Okay, now change it this column to using the local, and select the date and English United States. Where is that? Yeah, now I got it. This one. Now put it OK. Perfect, fine. This is my date. Now I can remove this column. I don't require this column now. Remove columns, remove, and I'll just rename this column as date. Right? So this is the conversion of the date, which is absolutely fine. Okay, so basically this is the very typical scenario where the normal local settings will not work into picture, so you need to do in this way. Okay, first of all, extract the dates from the table, and whichever is not converting, which the try and otherwise, then convert it into text, then from there onwards convert it into the date using the local. All right, that makes sense. All right. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to this channel for more videos, and thank you for that.